Hello learners, welcome to the next module of this course on digital marketing. I hope you must be busy in building your audience list, sign up forms using various templates and email marketing campaigns. Today we are going to discuss something very interesting, that is email marketing automation. You must have noticed that most of the time we receive the emails immediately after performing some actions such as finalizing the purchase order, finalizing the registration process, or joining any email list. Nowadays, the volume of emails sent by the business is so high that it cannot be managed manually. So there is a need to automate the entire email marketing process. So in this background, I welcome you to the module on email automation. So under this module, you will specifically learn what is email automation, how to set up various types of campaigns in automatic mode, how to set trigger for specific type of mails, how to link your website to MailChimp for retargeting. Let us start our module by explaining what is email automation. What is email automation? According to Campaign Monitor, email automation is the ability to send time or action triggered emails to the subscribers with relevant information. Automation is useful for a variety of different marketing purposes, whether it is triggered workflow that helps the nurture new needs, birthday greetings that adds a personal touch, or automated blog updates that take the legwork out of staying in touch with your audience. Email automation makes email marketing more efficient, personalized and relevant. Here are few examples of automated mails like birthday mail, greetings, order confirmation or abandoned cart mails. Are you really interested to know how to set automated emails? If yes, let us start. From campaign dashboard, go to create campaign. From email, go to automated. Again here we have various forms of automated campaigns. So before you select any campaign, just make sure that your objectives are clearly defined. Only then select an appropriate campaign. Moreover, all campaigns are not available in free version of MailChimp. To use the full power of email automation, you have to upgrade to the premium version of MailChimp. Let us first see how to automate the welcome message to the new subscribers in your audience list. Here I want when any new subscriber joins the audience list, an automated welcome message should go to him immediately or after some time set by the campaign trigger. Under single mail, give a name to your campaign and select the audience list. It may be your already existing list or you can create a new audience list. We already have one list, so let us select that one to begin with. Let us modify settings of single welcome mail. Now under send to field, there is an option to set a trigger. A trigger is nothing, it is just a condition set by you on which the MailChimp will act. By default, it is immediate, that means your mail will go immediately after the joining of the subscriber to your list. If you want to edit it from the edit delay and recipient button. Here we have different options ranging from immediately to 1 day. It is better to set it immediately as it gives the good impression to the audience that you are concerned about them. Moreover, they will be happy to receive any instant response from your side. Next, if you want to set a trigger for those subscribers to whom you want to import the list, just check this button and save. Next, we have various settings about which you are quite familiar. Let us quickly relook at them again. The from field is very simple, from where the mail is being sent, and you want to edit it, you can edit it. Next, we have subject line, so simple. Let it be default or edit. Then we have content of the welcome message. If you want to edit the welcome message, then click Edit Design. I think we are quite familiar with this interface by now, and you can edit any block by using various options. Save and continue. That's all. We are ready to launch our automated welcome message to the new subscribers. Just click Start Sending or Finish it later. Yes, we have done it. In the future, whosoever will join your audience list, he or she will receive a welcome message from your site. Amazing. So this was how to set automated welcome message mails. In present day world, it is must, as automated email marketing campaigns makes your entire email marketing more effective, relevant and personal. So in the next video, we will talk about few more forms of automation.